Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Volvo XC60 car key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Slide this button and carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a slot where you can insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Gently twist it counterclockwise to open the battery cover. Once the battery cover is loose, carefully lift it away. You'll see the old battery inside. It's important to notice that the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This orientation is crucial for proper installation of the new battery. Now, use a small tool or your fingernail to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now it's time to install the fresh battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and slide it into the compartment, making sure the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Press it down gently until it clicks securely into place. Then, align the battery cover and press it firmly until it snaps shut, ensuring a tight seal. Double-check that everything feels snug and properly aligned. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, securing it in the fob. Now, test your newly re-energized key fob by locking and unlocking your Volvo XC60. It should respond instantly. If you found this helpful, please check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.